Hi, Aaron.
Hi, Mama.
What do we have?
We got
some Halloween balloons.
And stickers. I'll tell you who they are. And this.
That's Freddie.
That's Freddy Krueger.
Uh-huh.
And this is Chucky.
Uh-huh.
This is Uncle Myers.
Michael Myers.
Michael Myers and whoever that is.
Oh, we don't know who that is. Yeah.
This is Annabelle and
Jason.
40s.
All right, so we have these stickers because I wanted to do horror villain balloons, but there are no horror villain balloons, so I found these stickers on Etsy. So we're gonna make these balloons into horror balloons. So let's open them. All right, so we have some round Mylar balloons here. They are all Halloween, different Halloween themes. And one side is like a pumpkin and the other side is blank. This is the side we're gonna put the stickers on. So we'll decide what colors to put on who. We have a a witch. We have a witch. What else? More witch. More witches. Well, we have a lot of witches. A lot of them. We have a jack-o'-lantern. And these are all jack-o'-lanterns. And then what do we have here? There's the ghost. We have a ghost balloon. And you can see this is a star shape. And what's the green one? It's a little kitty cat. All right.
Which one is the witch?
So we're gonna inflate one of each, and then we'll stick the sticker on, and we'll see how it looks. There we go.
Fast.
All right. Here is the jack-o'-lantern, the pumpkin.
Yep.
Let's see if it floats. Does it float? Woohoo! All right. So which sticker do you want to put on that one? All right, so here is our first balloon. So what villain do you want to put on the pumpkin balloon?
Oh, we should have put the...
All right, so we're going to put Michael Myers on this balloon.
We're putting Michael Myers on it. Michael Myers.
All right, stick them on there good, Aaron. Just like kind of just stick them on. And there we go. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, it looks great. So who is next? Which balloon is next? All right, there is the green cat balloon. Super cute. All right, who do you want to put on the green cat balloon? Which character?
Chucky.
All right, so we're gonna do Chucky. Okay, ready, Aaron? All right, Aaron's gonna put the sticker on.
See, Chucky's.
Great job. Let's see what it looks like.
Make sure he's all in all the way.
There he is. Check him out. That's really cute.
So Chucky.
So far we have Chucky and we have Michael Myers. Very cute. All right, let's do the next one. All right, so we have the purple balloon there with the ghost. So we're gonna put who on there? Freddy Krueger?
Freddy.
All right.
Freddy Krueger.
All right, here he is, and he's gonna float. Let's see, hopefully he does float. Let it go. Let's see if it floats. Woo! All right, it does. Stick the sticker on a little better, Aaron. It's coming off on the hat. All right, so here is the balloon that I inflated, the black one. This is the one that has the witch. If I could show you here, the witch. So Aaron is gonna put the sticker of that mystery villain on there. And if you know who it is, please say. Alright.
On there.
Alright, so here is this little guy on the black balloon. There he is. Very cute. Alright, so we're gonna have to repeat some colors here. So we're gonna repeat black and purple. Siren Head is helping.
Oh, he punched Isabel into the balloon. That's good.
There she is. Oh, that's not even straight, Aaron.
Sorry.
Off to the side. All right, here it is. I fixed her. She's in the middle now. All right, last but not least, on the ghost balloon, we are gonna put Jason. No, put it on straight. There you go. Very cute. Look at him.
Very cute.
All right, so this are our villain balloon party. Check them out. Let us know which one of these horror villain balloons is your favorite. So much fun for Halloween.
Yep.
Here is Jason. You could see the little detail on Jason. Okay, who's next? Here is the mystery character that we can't figure out who he is. Let us know in the comments. Here is Chucky. You can see how cute he is with his little good guy's outfit. Freddie, which is my personal favorite because he always says puns. Here is Michael Myers with his little outfit. Very cute. And here is Annabelle. She looks kind of cute here, but in the movie she's real creepy. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know which one of the villain balloons is your favorite. And bye.
Bye.